This is calm over chaos, a quiet space in a noisy world. Before you open your phone, before the endless tabs, push alerts, and breaking stories, pause here, just for a minute. This is your morning reset. Not to ignore the world, but to remember you get to decide how your day, your week starts. Not your feed, not the algorithm, not the outrage machine. Today, remind yourself that you can be informed without feeling wrecked by 9 a.m. You can stay connected without giving your whole headspace away. You don't have to doom scroll to prove you care. You don't have to carry the weight of everything all at once. Repeat to yourself the following affirmations and notice how your mind, body, and soul feels after each one. Let's begin. I start this week with intention, not anxiety. Pause for a second. Let that intention settle into your breath. My peace isn't a luxury, it's a choice. Feel that choice. Where can you choose peace today? I control where my attention goes. Notice where your attention has been. Gently bring it back to this moment. I am not required to consume it all. Let yourself feel that permission. It is okay to look away. I can care without collapsing. Inhale slowly. As you exhale, let go of what's not yours to hold. Calm helps me stay focused. Let that calm spread through your body, starting at your shoulders. I give myself permission to unplug for a moment. Close your eyes if that feels right and it's safe to do so. Let the quiet be enough. I begin this week grounded, not in chaos, but in clarity. Take one deep breath, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Let that breath be your anchor. The world will still be there in 5 minutes, but you will be in a better place to meet it. Don't let the news set the tone. Let your presence do that instead. Thank you for being here. This is Calm Over Chaos. Step away from the noise. Join the calm.